Transitive and intransitive verbs are a bit tricky. In particular, the sentence structure involving kimeru and kimaru is a bit more complicated than the most. This video explains how to use these verbs correctly using the right particles. Kimeru means to decide. It's a ru verb, also called regular to verb. It is also a transitive verb, which in Japanese we say tadoshi. It takes a direct object. What it means that basically a subject acts on a direct object in a sentence. Direct object is a noun followed by the particle o in a sentence. The basic sentence structure is this. The subject can be optional if it's clear from the conversational context, and a chosen instance is also optional. For example, 私はペットの名前をモモに決めました。I decided on my pet's name as Momo. It also makes sense if you just say ペットの名前を決めました。I decided on the pet's name. Make sure to add ni after the chosen instance if you are adding that information in a sentence. Kimaru means being decided. This one is a u verb, also called regular one verb. This one is an intransitive verb, which in Japanese we say jidoshi. This type of verbs focuses on the item that goes through a change rather than someone is acting on a direct object. The basic sentence structure is this. A chosen instance is optional. For example, ペットの名前がモモに決まりました。The pet's name is decided as Momo. As you can see, we don't know who decided the name of the pet, but the important thing is that the name is decided, and it is Momo. You can also omit the instance to say, ペットの名前が決まりました。The pet's name is decided. So any questions of the form involving the particle o, then the answer is the transitive verb. In this case, 決める. If it starts with an item that can't make a decision, for example, 日本に行く日, meaning the day to go to Japan, then choose the intransitive verb. In this case, 決まる. For both verbs, if you want at the decision in a sentence, you have to place に. 日本に行く日を4月4日に決めました. Means I decided on a date to go to Japan as April 4th. 日本に行く日が4月4日に決まりました. Means the date to go to Japan is decided as April 4th. In this sentence, it's not that important who decided the date, but the important thing is that it is decided. I hope this video helped you understand how to correctly make sentences using either kimaru or kimeru. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. If you have any requests for a Japanese language topic, please post a comment below. You can also find plenty of Japanese language quizzes from post section of the channel. Thank you for watching.